about you.
Okay, welcome back to my channel. This is the first video of a new series that I'm calling the Senior Diaries. The reason why we're doing this as the first video is because this is going to be a get ready with me for Snowco. So I hope that you enjoy this video. It's gonna be probably us just getting ready. This is definitely for the memories, and we're gonna try and film it kind of artsy and new than I have before, so stick around and let me know if you like the way that it's being filmed, because I'm putting a lot of effort into it. We've already spent like half an hour on the introduction, so anyways, let's get into the rest of the video and getting ready. Okay, we're gonna make transition TikToks, so this is part of the getting ready process. Ready?
Wait, should I be on this side of you?
Yeah.
Cause we're trying to fill the holes in our souls. Trying to feel the music, let it take control. Stuck on the bottom, trying to feel on top. Wishing everything would just come and
Okay,
stop.
I think that might have been it. Yeah,
I don't know. We're gonna draft it.
Okay.
Go do you.
Okay, you can start getting ready.
I ain't never been with a baddie. She calm, so I add her to the tally. Oh shit, okay, here we go.
Nah, I ain't never been with a baddie. She calm, so I added to the tally. Madison button calling her Maddie. Like Mads try to send me the addict.
Okay, so this is going to start the actual getting ready segment of the video. So I'm gonna start off by getting my makeup ready, and then I'm gonna curl my hair afterwards. So let's hope that we're not crunched on time, because we're kind of already running a little behind schedule. Okay, so what other things do you think we can do during Snowcoming to like make it fun for everybody? I don't know how many people are actually going to be there, but I do know that like a good deal of the older high school girls are going to be there. So even if there's not a lot of people there, it'll still be, I think, fun. Also, I checked my Shein order and it's already in Denver.
Really?
Yeah. It's only been a week. It'll be a week on Sunday from when I ordered it. Okay, I'm going to start on my hair. Okay. Are you doing it in here or in there?
I can't even see it in this mirror.
Why not? When you sit on the floor?
Okay, I need a pair of jeans, homie. I brought black leggings, my flare jeans, and pajama shorts.
Okay, I don't know what I'm bringing yet. Whenever you called me and I said, I'm gonna have to call you back, bye, and I hung up. Did you even hear that?
Yeah, I assumed you were talking or your girlfriends were leaving.
They were not. My dad and I were playing, we were playing Keep Talking and Nobody Explodes, which is a game that I bought today, where you have to defuse the bomb, and we had 5 minutes on the timer, and we were like playing, so I was like, one person defuses the bomb, and the other person has to read the manual, but you can't see like the screen, because it's on a computer. And so I was the person who was reading the manual, and so I was like, I need to focus. I can't take your call right now. I'm on the countdown to, you know, maybe not die from a bomb.
Yeah.
But anyways.
Okay, homie, also, you're gonna pierce my ears.
No, I'm not.
Well, I'm gonna pierce my ears.
Okay, yes, you can. You pierced our ears 20 minutes before our senior dance or something. I wish I knew how to contour, because I would totally do that, but I really don't know how to do that. And I also lost my powder. Remember that we bought for our deer thing? Gosh.
That was a long time ago, homie.
I know, but I still had the powder. Let me get my curling iron and start heating
I need
it
a
up.
marker. Do you have like an expo marker in here still?
Yeah, I think it's on my kid. Zoe's gonna pierce your ears.
With a 99-cent self ear piercing kit.
Mm-hmm. I'm not piercing her ears, and I'm not piercing my ears, but she's going to pierce her ears, and I'm making her do it in here so that you can see too. That looks even.
Okay, now we're gonna stab my ear.
Hold on.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Go for it. Yeah? You can always have it professionally done, Zoe, and they don't have to take that, so they can jab through your ear now. We're off the limo. You can get the proper cleaning solution, move it around for 2 months or whatever you have to have it in for.
I did it.
You did? Wait, oh my gosh, did it hurt?
No.
What? What?
Look it!
Oh my gosh, you did it!
Bro, I just pierced my ear, Leah. I just did that. Dude, it's so cute!
It does look cute.
Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Okay, ready?
Yeah. Wait, do you just like, it went Yeah. And like it just goes right through your ear.
Ready?
No.
One.
Oh my gosh, I'm scared.
Oh my gosh, Julia.
It's just whether I close my eyes or not.
Don't close your eyes.
Okay, I'm gonna try not to.
Ready?
Watch your mirror. I'm gonna watch the mirror, not the thing through your
Okay,
ear.
can you see?
Yes, I can see.
Okay, I gotta make sure it's still in the thingy. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my gosh. Wait, no, I kind of want to do mine, but I'm scared.
Look! They're not even, but look!
Yes, they are even.
Hey, Emma, guess what?
Hey, so.
Homie just pierced her ears.
Yeah.
I just gave myself my second piercing.
Yeah. Oh.
Standing right here in this bathroom. I was just like,
All right. Why?
because I wanted to.
Okay.
Literally no reason.
Why does this side always look so good and this side always looks so bad?
I don't know, mine does that too. I literally just pulled this out. That's just peachy. What time is it? I'm pretty sure we're gonna be late.
I don't think we will.
Oh, yeah, we will.
No, we won't.
We're literally always late to these.
Well, that is true, but I have a feeling about this one, okay?
No, we're definitely gonna be late.
We're taking my car. Okay. Who has the keys? Guess who just won Queen? How do you feel?
I don't know, this crown's really tight.
It looks so pretty on you. Congrats. That's totally like.
Look at that! I don't know where it's right, but.
Ashlyn! Come here! She did, I did. The best day of my life. Okay, wow, that lighting sucked. Okay, I'm gonna run home to grab something. The dance is going so well. We're having so much fun, but we had a little issue with our change of clothes that we brought, so I'm running home. I'll try and vlog more of the second half than I have the first half. Update from about halfway through the dance. How are we feeling? Like 8:45, yeah.
It's 9, 7.
We full changed into our clothes.
I'm in jeans, not in
I'm in yoga pants. Okay. This is halfway through the dance, signing off.
Okay. Wow, my hair looks amazing. Well, I just got back from the dance. That was super fun. My voice is like really scratchy because I've been yelling. My back hurts so bad and my legs basically don't exist. But other than that, I had a great time. And I'm so glad that it got to be formal. And it was just so fun. Thank you for watching. And the next video will be not this style. It'll be a bit more interesting. I assume this one's just kind of, you know, first episode of the Senior Diaries. I hope you like the idea because I think it's going to be many, many more Senior Diaries to come. Alright, and I guess I will sign off.
She's a Mona Lisa.